Thursday morning, and thanks for checking out this forecast update. Temperatures this morning in the lower 30s out there. The good news is we have skies that are clearing out. We have dry conditions out there this morning, so we're setting up for a nice day out there today. We do expect partly sunny skies, temperatures to warm into the low to mid 40s this afternoon, so being able to take a walk, just make some plans to get outside and enjoy it. You know, getting any day with sunshine has been a rarity around here this month, and we're looking at pretty nice weather through tomorrow, and then big changes come in for the weekend. Saturday we're going to see rain returning, and we even have the chance for thunderstorms as we go into late Saturday afternoon and into Saturday night, and we could even see a few strong to locally severe storms. I think the better chance for severe weather will be across southern parts of Indiana and Kentucky, but we could see some strong storms here in Indianapolis as well. Also become quite windy, and I think the wind will become a bigger story Saturday night after the cold front comes through, and through Sunday, very windy conditions. We could have some wind gusts over 45, maybe over 50 miles per hour here on Sunday, and we're going to see drier conditions build in on Sunday with some sunshine. And as we go into next week, we do expect a bit of a quieter pattern early next week with temperatures just near our seasonal average here going into early next week. But here's a look at that storm system for the weekend. This is the big story here. It's going to move in with rain showers on Saturday. We'll see some thunderstorms possible Saturday night. And then on Sunday, as that storm system works into the Great Lakes, we're going to see very windy conditions behind that system. So again, do a plan for the wind on Sunday, but sunshine will return, and then drier weather early next week. So that's all I have for your update this morning. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great day.